Here goes!
Yeah! From a choice of 4, the book you will spy 1, 2, 3, 4 benches. The spell book, it's on my bench. Whoa! 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 We're good.
But we still need to get up top.
We're 4 times smaller. We had 4 giant crumbs. There are 4 benches. Maybe number 4 can help us today. Hey, 4! What is it for? Flower pots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 altogether.
How will these help? Why is number 4 found 10 pots?
Big numbers always fumble my brain. Numero, we need your help.
Numero. There are 10 flower pots. Numero's rearranging them. That's it. 10 pots make 4 columns at 4 different heights.
Making 4 steps that we can climb to reach the spell book.
Whoa, that's so number neat. Let's get the pots to the bench.